class. This is a very brief video of NUR 342, Nursing Research and Evidence-Based Practice. Please take a few minutes to review the video, and then when you come to the conference or the overview conference, we can answer any questions that you may have. So the information starts here on the home page. My name is Diane Morrison, and I'm your instructor for this class. My office hours are listed as Monday and Tuesday between 8 and 10, and you may call me during that time or email me, or if you need to talk or discuss something at a different time, please call or email me and let me know when a good time for you to talk. Here is my cell phone number, and you may reach me at that number. If you are texting me, I'm just requesting that you tell me who you are, because if I get a text with just your number, I'm not quite sure who is the person texting me. So please do that. This class, I think, is going to be a great addition to your nursing career. It is nursing research, and if you are planning on going on for your master's or doctorate, this class forms the basis of many things you will need to know for continuing your education. And it just brings a little bit different look to nursing, so I think you will find it a really interesting class. I am not going to go through the reminders. I think you know by now when we take attendance, but just review some of the current policies that are in place. They are all in your handbook, so please be aware of that. This is the date of the conference, and I will go down to the syllabus. Here's my information again. I will not go through the course objectives. Please be aware that this is the book that you need for your course, and you do need to read it. Nursing research is not just something that is very easy to understand, so the reading each chapter is very important, and it's information that you will use for the rest of your nursing career. I'm not going to go through general course policies, as I feel you are all aware of them. You're aware of late work, attendance, being civil, and course expectations. So in this class, as usual, we have the same discussions as you've had in the past. We have quizzes in week 2 and 4, and then a written assignment, which is really worth a good portion of your grade in week 7. And everything you learn leading up to week 7 forms the basis for that assignment. I would strongly suggest you get started on that earlier than week 7. Find a topic, because this is important information that you should know. Please be following the rubric using citation and reference. Make sure you're always answering both questions, or how many questions are asked, and make sure only 20% of your post is in a quote. Otherwise, you lose all 5 points for that. Address your classmates by first name. APA format. I know APA format is kind of it's complicated sometimes, but once you understand it and just know the basics, then you may not be losing points for minor errors. So please go back and review that if you're having problems with that. On the Pages tab, there's much information about APA format. There's a paper that you can follow. Sometimes if you just print out that paper, you will find that that's all you need to do is take a quick look at that. So first week we just have discussions. Week 2 you do have a quiz, and I will go to that when I'm done going through the syllabus. Week 3 is just discussions. Week 4 again is a quiz on qualitative and quantitative research. Week 5 and 6 are just graded discussions. So here is where you want to start gathering information for week 7, which is a critique of a research article. And I have a video on that, so I won't be going through that today. And then week 8 is your last week. So the one assignment or quiz that I do want to point out to you is this module 2 quiz, because you will be, let me go back, sorry. You will be reading about it it takes you to a website, so you'll be going here to the website. However, the quiz is not embedded in the website. It's on the quiz tab or under Module 7. So if you just press the next button after you've done the videos, it's right here. So it's a little confusing, but that's where you can find that. The quiz in week 4 is just listed as a quiz, so that you would take based on the information that you've read during the past week. So in week 7, which is, like I said, a huge portion of your grade, so you don't want to be working on this the Sunday night at 10 o'clock because you will not finish it. It's a pretty big assignment, but you want to start gathering information, finding as you learn a scholarly evidence-based peer-reviewed study in nursing. Nursing is real important here. So make sure you do that. And then, like I said, I have a video that goes with this. When you get closer to this assignment, you can watch it. The big thing with this assignment is it is not a paper. It's a table that you will fill out using APA format, but it is not you do not need to do a paper. So here is what this looks like. It looks like it's not that big, but this turns into quite a few pages once you start filling in all the details. So here is that assignment. Like I said, this is a brief video of this class, and I'm hoping I don't click out of everything here. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to call me. If you have a question about your grade or anything, please feel free to contact me, email me. I'm asking you not to put any comments in the gradebook submissions because we don't see those until like a report comes out 2 or 3 days later. And by that time, you might be wondering why we're not responding to you. It's because we don't usually go back into the gradebook to look for those. We would prefer that you email us immediately so we can look at what the issue is and take care of it. So I'm looking forward to working with you online, and I think again you will find this class a great addition to your nursing career.